everyone. Do you remember these laws of exponents? These are the laws of exponents for the natural numbers. Here, base equal to a and exponents are m and n, which are the natural numbers. Then the first law was a to the power m into b to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. यानी ये क्या था? What we have done means 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2 is equal to 2 to the power 3 plus 2, that is 5. So this is our first law. Then here the second law, a to the power m upon a to the power n is equal to a to the power mn, means 2 cube upon 2 square. So what it will be? 2 to the power 3 minus 2, so it is 2 to the power 1. You have done all this in your earlier classes. Now a to the power m to the power n, whole to the power n. So what is this actually? It is 2 square. It is in the form this 2 square to the power 3. So what is it? 2 into 2 to the power 2 into 3. So it is 2 to the power 6. Now your next law is a to the power m, b to the power n. Suppose we are having 2 square into 3 square. So what will be the answer? 2 into 3 to the power 2 means 6 square. So our answer is 36. So all these are the laws which you have done in your junior classes. And you also have learned what is the square root. How we represent the square root? Under root of 36. We know how to find. Hai na? Under root 36 is 6. Now what is this under root means? This under root means to the power 1 by 2. And cube root of under root 2, cube root of 216. We know how to find it. And we have done the cube root of a number. So cube root is actually, when we are having this cube root, it means to the power 1 by 3. Now we extend our knowledge to the to this nth power of a number. And here, moreover, we will do the nth power of a real number. We will extend our laws of exponents for the real numbers. Now, what do you mean by nth root of a? If a is equal to b to the power n, then nth root of a is equal to b. For a positive real number, for positive real numbers where a, b, and n are the real numbers. Now, how we are getting this? Now, a is equal to b to the power n. Now, what we want? What is the value of b? So, for that, what we will do? We will divide the power by n. Here, what is the power? A to the power 1 is equal to b to the power n. So, we will multiply both the side by n. So, what we will get? A to the power 1 by n is equal to b to the power n by n. And this n by n is actually 1. So, what we are having? A to the power 1 by n is equal to b. And how we will define this? We will define this as nth root of a is equal to b. Here n, a and b all are the real numbers. Now, we are having the extended laws of exponents, means we are having the laws of exponents for the real number. Let a is greater than 0 be a real number, p and q be the rational number. Then a to the power p into a to the power q is equal to a to the power p plus q. What is this actually? Let a be a real number. So let it be a 2. Okay? Now 2 to the power 1 by 2 into 2 to the power 3 by 2. So according to this law, what we will have? This is 2 to the power 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. So it is 2 to the power 4 by 2, which is equal to 2 square. So your answer is 4. Now let's move to the second law. What it is saying? A to the power q whole to the power q, it is equal to a to the power p into q. Now take example for this. Now 7 to the power 1 by 2 whole to the power 4 by 5. Suppose we are having this problem. What is P? 1 by 2. What is Q? 4 by 2. So according to this law, what will be our result? 4 1 by 2 into 4 by 5. So this will be 7 to the power 2 by 5. Okay. Now what is this 7 to the power 2 by 3? We know that 1 by n, it means nth root. So what we can write? Fifth root of, what we can write this? 7 square to the power 1 by 5. So this will be fifth root of 7 square. So that will be fifth root of 49. अगर हमको उसको रेडिकल में देना है, रेडिकल में आंसर पूछा है तो आप क्या लिखोगे? फिफ्थ रूट ऑफ 49. एंड इफ यू हैव टू सिंपली सॉल्व, है ना, और सॉल्व करना है तो आप क्या लिखोगे? देन योर आंसर विल बी 7 टू द पावर 2 by 5. अगर आपसे सिंपल आंसर पूछ रहा है, व्हाट विल बी द आंसर ऑफ दिस? what will be the solution of this problem? So the solution of this problem is using the second exponent law, a to the power p to the power q, which is equal to a to the power p into q. So thus it becomes 7 to the power 1 by 2 into 4 by 5. So it is 7 2 by 5. So now this is your final answer. But if it is asked in the question to give the answer in the रेडिकल फॉर्म, अगर आपसे पूछा है कि किस फॉर्म में दो, रेडिकल फॉर्म में, तो आप इसको क्या लिखोगे? 7 स्क्वायर टू द पावर 1 by 5. What is 1 by 5? It is fifth root. So fifth root of 7 square. So it will become under fifth root of 49. So if the answer is required in the radical form, then we have to write this. Now let's move to the next law. Law of exponent is a to the power p into b to the power p is equal to ab to the power p. So now suppose we are having 2 to the power 1 by 3 into 5 to the power 1 by 3. So according to this law, what we will have? We will have 2 into 5 to the power 1 by 3. So what is our answer? 10 to the power 1 by 3. Now if it is asked in the radical form, अगर आपको आंसर किसमें पूछा है, write the answer in the radical form. If it is not asked, तो आप इतना लिख के छोड़ दीजिए. अगर रेडिकल फॉर्म में पूछा है तो आप क्या लिखोगे? दिस इज क्यूब रूट ऑफ 10. Evaluate 32 to the power 1 by 5. So this is a 32 to the power 1 by 5. So it is fifth root of 32. Now we have to evaluate. We don't have to write this in the radical form. ये नहीं बोला radical form निकालो, बोला evaluate, इसकी value निकालो. Now what is 32? Now we know that by prime factorization, we know that what is 32? 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 2, 8, 2 4, 2 2, 2 1. So what is this 2? 32. It is 2 to the power 5 to the power 1 by 5. Now 32 is actually 2 to the power 5. And now by using the laws of exponent, what we can write? It is 2 to the power 5 into 1 by 5. So what is our answer? So our answer is 2. Now in the same way, now we have to solve what is 27 minus 4 by 3. We have to evaluate this. Now what is 27? 27 is actually 3 cube. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. And to the power minus 4 by 3. So what we will write? 3. Here which exponent law we will use? A to the power p into q. So it is a to the power p into q. So what it will become? Minus 4 by 3. These two will cancel out. So 3 to the power minus 4. So this is 1 by 3 to the power 4. क्यों? क्योंकि आपने पढ़ा है ना, a to the power minus 1 is 1 upon a. Now we have to evaluate 81 upon 25 minus 3 by 2. So it is 9 by 5 square to the power minus 3 by 2. So what it will become? 9 by 5 to the power 2 into minus 3 by 2. So these two will cancel out. How much we are getting? 9 by 5 to the power minus 3. है ना? अब इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? 9 by 5 to the power minus 1 whole to the power 3. And when we are writing -1, it means we have to take the reciprocal. So this will become 5 by 9 to the power 3. So this is actually 125 upon 729. 9 cube is 729. So thus we can evaluate the problem using the or simplify using the laws of exponents.